Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 25, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.96. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 4% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -17% and +16%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around -16%. According to our estimates, the stock's performance could vary from -30% to +54% over the course of the next year. This suggests that the future price could fall within a range of between $2.43 and $5.33. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock downgraded to sell candidate. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, the NIO stock price decreased by 0.86%, dropping from $3.50 to $3.47. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.48%, ranging from a low of $3.45 to a high of $3.57. The price has declined in 7 out of the last 10 days, accumulating a total decrease of 8.92% during this period. Notably, trading volume fell alongside the stock price, which is often a positive indicator since volume typically aligns with stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 12 million shares, resulting in a total of 21 million shares exchanged, valued at approximately $71.70 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.02. Currently, the stock price is 54.99% or $4.24 below the 52-week high and 94.82% or $63.52 below the all-time high recorded on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. Recent developments surrounding NIO Incorporated are drawing significant investor attention, particularly as the company navigates a changing landscape in China's electric vehicle market. Currently, NIO stock is under pressure, having declined nearly 20% year-to-date, trailing competitors such as Zeekr Intelligent and Li Auto. Investors are closely examining the challenges posed by a new pricing war ignited by BYD. However, it is noteworthy that NIO's vehicle margins have demonstrated resilience, improving to 10.2% in the first quarter of 2025. Despite these challenges, NIO is implementing strategies aimed at enhancing profitability. The rollout of new models and efforts to achieve cost efficiencies are expected to bolster gross margins. Additionally, investor interest remains strong, with searches for NIO on financial platforms surging recently, reflecting a potential rebound sentiment among retail investors. While the current volatility and competitive pressures may lead to short-term fluctuations in NIO's stock price, the emphasis on innovation and operational improvements could position the company favorably for longer-term growth. Expectations of a 25 to 30% year-over-year increase in deliveries for the second quarter of 2025 may prove pivotal in restoring market confidence. Overall, while the near term appears challenging, strategic initiatives may offer a pathway toward recovery and growth in the longer horizon. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 17th of June, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NIO a neutral grade along with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup rated NIO as a buy with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities gave NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade along with an upgrade action. On the same day, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie rated NIO as outperform with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, and so far it has risen by 1.76%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is identified. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The NIO stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this gives a more negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $3.74. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $3.46. A break above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, whereas a dip below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative outlook. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 26 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 58 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.46, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 12 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a movement of 3.48%. During the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.6%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at a loss of 47 cents per share. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.52. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.46. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. conducted an insider purchase of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop-loss strategy in place. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of June, we anticipate NIO to open higher by approximately 2.33 cents and start trading at $3.49. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.